Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you top 4 best games for game lovers. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1, Metroid Prime. Metroid Prime is a non-linear game. It contains multi-connecting worlds with strong correlations and a focus on the lore of the planet. It's akin to the Zelda-esque tropes, but it is unique and totally captivating. The game itself features a powerful female protagonist who assumes the roles of Samus Aran, a tough, no-nonsense bounty hunter. Here is a game that certainly tests your skills and will enhance your gameplay like none other. Number 2, The Witcher 3. Witcher 3 is packed with intense action. The depth and intensity of the game is utterly engrossing. There are scores of complementary updates and significant enhancements in the game. If you enjoy open-world gaming formats, particularly games like Skyrim, this one will certainly not disappoint. The action and the exploration are captivating. The game is detailed and requires a significant investment of time. It is suited to hardcore gaming aficionados. Number 3, Final Fantasy XIV. Final Fantasy XIV takes you on an extraordinary adventure. The game has won multiple awards and nominations over the years and is enjoyed by 10 million plus players. A Realm Reborn is the story of a thriving planet that is embraced by gods and protected by heroes. One of the heroes is Eorzea. Darkness has gripped the land, and you must fight your way to victory. The game is rated T for teens, and contains scenes of violence and intense action. Number 4, Shadow Complex. Shadow Complex is regarded as a great game for the serious gamer. It was created by Peter David, a comic book writer, and is loaded with 100+ enhancements and items, including power-ups. There are master challenges in the game, and you will enjoy all the features with side-scrolling action. So, what's it all about? It's a shooter game that's rated T for teen with language and violence. The game itself has won 50+ Editor's Choice Awards, so you know it's great. This game is remastered for maximum immersion, and it's loaded up with adrenaline-fueled action. You can expect the fists and kicks to be flying fast and furious. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.